Hi everyone, it's Mika Dolph again, and it's evening here in UK. It's 35 minutes past 7 in the evening, and I'm peeling the aloe vera to mix my juice tomorrow on morning. So, see? I will mix this for my juice on morning before I ate breakfast. Look at this. This is fresh aloe vera. So it's morning here and I'm going to have breakfast. Time is 5 minutes past 8 in the morning, and I'm going to to mix the aloe vera on my juice. So let's start. This is beetroot juice with celery and carrots. So this is the aloe vera I made last night. So maybe it's up to you how much aloe vera you want to put on it. So I will do it for 30 seconds. So it's done. So this is it. So these are my breakfast: rice, yeah, the the squash with shrimps and a bit of pork, coffee and the juice. And I will have this first: banana and avocado. So I will drink this first. and avocado. Banana first. The rice. I'm doing a quick video just to upload on YouTube. I didn't upload maybe how many months? 6 months, I think. I did not update my YouTube. So bye bye everyone. Thank you for watching.